In the previous lesson, we have created a product form so that the seller can go to dashboard, and from there they can upload a new product in the database. Now in this lesson, we are going to add the edit functionality for a product. So let's start with the urls.py, and here we will add a new path. So here we have added a new path with dashboard/product/ the ID, which is of type integer, and edit. So this will trigger the product edit method. Now save this and let's go to our views.py file. And here we will add our new method. Now this product edit method will contain almost the same code of product create. So let's copy everything from product create and paste here. Now there are a few things that we need to change. Now after request, we will get the ID as second argument of the product edit method. And once we get the ID, we will fetch the specific product by using the product ID. Now we need to pass our product as the initial data here in our product form. But right now the product is of type model or query set. We need to convert it into a dictionary. After that we can pass it as initial. So in order to do that, we can use the method model to dict. Now we need to import it. So let's go to the top. Now save this file, and there are a few things that we need to change. Okay, there is one issue. So we need to import model to dict from django.forms.models. Now save this and let's go to the bottom again, and here we will create a new template called edit.html. Now save this, and inside the product folder we are going to add the new template. We can copy everything from this file. Now we need to add basic changes like the card header, this submit button, and the form action. Okay, so in order to use the URL, we need to pass the product ID. In order to do that, we also need to pass the product to our render method. So now we can say product.id. Now save this file and let's open the browser. So here we are inside the dashboard of Robert Smith. Now let's go to dashboard/products, And here we can find all the products created by Robert, and from there you can see the edit links. We should be able to go to the edit page by using these links, but right now we have not passed the value for href. Let's get back to the editor and fix this. So let's go to the products.html, and here we need to change the href. And let's add one more thing. Inside our dashboard.html, let's add some padding, and here we will add a button to go to the products page. Now save this and let's get back to the browser again. Now let's refresh the page, and the edit link should work now. And yes, it's working. So we are getting the edit product form. Here we can update the data. It's saying that this field is required. But when we are editing a form, we may not want to provide an image. So in that case, we can fix this by going to our forms.py file. Let's get back to the editor and let's go to the forms.py file from here. Here we can say that required false. Save this one. Now let's try to update a product. Here we are getting an error, duplicate entry UCOBID for key ecom product.slug. This one is happening because we are creating a new product and we have not changed the product title. That's why it's creating the same slug and trying to insert the newly created row in the database. But we have set the slug to be unique. That's why it's not inserting. Instead of that, it's just creating an error, integrity error. So let's get back to the editor and figure out how to fix that. In order to fix this one, we need to add one simple thing, and that is inside the product edit form. Here you can see we are getting the form past the request post and request files, and at the last position we need to pass the instance. Here the instance will be product. So now the form.seb method will work like an update. So now save this and let's get back to the browser. And now if we try to edit, here it is updated. Okay, so you can't see the changes right here. Let's try to change the title. And here you can see this one is updated. Also the last change of price is also reflecting now. So this is how we can let the sellers update their product details even after creating the product.